How to unblock someone on Google Chat. In this video, I will show you how can you easily unblock someone from Google Chat application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Chat on your laptop or PC and simply click on the three dots beside the contact whom you want to block. Once you do so, in the little menu bar, you will see the option of block and report. Simply click on it and then click on block to block that person in Google Chat. Now, to unblock that person, you simply need to click on the setting icon at the top right corner. You will find this gear icon beside your profile. Once you click on it in chat setting, you will find the option of blocked people. Simply click on manage account and then click on the cross icon beside the person whom you want to unblock. So that's it. That is how easily you can unblock someone on Google Chat application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.